My T-shirt is made from about 10 plastic bottles. My name is Emma Barber and I'm the Managing Director of D-Grade. How do we do it? We take a plastic bottle, including the label and the cap, and we send it to our plant in Kizad, where we wash it and we flake it. The bottles are turned into this little high-quality flake. Once we have the flake, it's bagged and it's sent to our partner factories in India, Pakistan and China, where it's heated and extruded and turned into this lovely soft 100% polyester, recycled polyester fibre. The fibre is then spun into our trademark green spun yarn, and once we have the yarn we can turn it into products such as my T-shirt, this polo shirt, or our lovely mannequins. We basically provide a sustainable option to companies that are looking to procure textiles such as uniforms or workwear or masks, accessories, that kind of thing. Actually helping them segregate and collect plastic, then it's recycled and then it's turned into new products that have a longer life. Sustainability isn't just about being environmentally friendly, it's also about wealth creation, job creation,